How to add ringtone to contacts on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add ringtone to contacts on Android phone. First, then open it, go to your contact and then select any contacts you want here, like this one. And here you will find this one, ringtone. You will find it on default. Click on it and click allow. And now here you can add any ringtone you want. You can select it from classic ringtone or you can add it from your device. Just click here and you can select it. And that's how to add ringtone to contacts on Android phone. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.